Hey there, Rob from Word of Mouth Floors. We got a new product launch today in vinyl. Let's do our little vote in our product launch here. So we got Cody and James here from the beautiful Word of Mouth retail store here on Bridgeport. So we're going to do a quick overview of the Legends collection. This is an SPC 6.5 millimeter thick, extra wide, 9 inches wide, 60 inches long, that's 5 feet long. So these are giant planks with a commercial rated wear layer. So we're gonna do a little vote here on which one's gonna be our best new product launch. This is the Beret from the Legends collection. Look at that. The Linden. Here we got the Sedine. And the Nasland. Woo! All right, boys. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? Cody, you're up. You're up.
Big fan of the natural oak colors here of the Beret. It's got a lot of natural grain pattern. I think it's going to go really well in lots of modern homes. You can also go rustic in the style with it. I think it's going to be a hot seller, Rob.
Love it. Love it. James, where are you going here?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I hate to agree with Cody, but I'm also a big fan of the Beret. He's my favorite player growing up, so that may skew my opinion.
Yeah.
But I think the color is fantastic. Followed up by this bad boy right here. I think that's gonna be the second big winner.
The Nasland is your
Correct.
second favorite. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna say Nasland's gonna be the most popular because it looks a lot like our desert sand, and we can't keep that in stock. You know what? I'm gonna go Big Trev here, little Linden second. I think that looks a lot like our Hofbrauhaus, and I think that one will do really well. Awesome. All right, boys. Legends collection. Woo!
Signing
Word of
off.
Mouth Floors. Signing off.